Christmas bell rings, echoing joy, oh the love that it brings. From city to town, in each cozy nook, every heart awakens, just take a look. Ding dong, Christmas bell sings. All through the night, hear the laughter it brings. In the glow of the lights, every face shines bright. Happy, happy Christmas, hearts warm with delight. Through the winter's chill, as the snowflakes fall, joy fills the air, love is shared by all. Villages glowing under starlit skies, children's laughter echoes as the spirit flies. Ding dong, Christmas bell sings. All through the night, hear the laughter it brings. In the glow of the lights, every face shines bright. Happy, happy Christmas, hearts warm with delight. Gather round the fire, let the stories unfold, of hope and togetherness, of memories gold. With family and friends, we celebrate this time. In every heart, the Christmas spirit will climb. Ding dong, Christmas bell sings. All through the night, hear the laughter it brings. In the glow of the lights, every face shines bright. Happy, happy Christmas, hearts warm with delight. So let the bells ring, let the carolers call. In the spirit of giving, there's joy for us all. Ding dong, love's the magic that's true. Happy, happy Christmas to me and to you.